So, hello and welcome back, guys, to another live trade recap. So, I have just finished taking this trade on NQ. So, I'm going to be doing the trade recap. So, I'll just show you my not broker, sorry, like journal, a macros. This is the overall journal from January 1st. So, I'll make a full video on full January overall, all the trades and all that. I have already made everything, all the trade recaps and all everything have been already uploaded in my channel. So, yeah, right now, as you can see, I've just finished taking this trade. So we'll just quickly go and review this trade. It was a very quick trade. So yeah, let's go right into the trade. So yeah, overall, if you can see this, so overall we had a mixed bias going into the day. So if you can see at 9:30 a.m., this was the 9:30 a.m. open candle. It just came down and swept this low, and we also had an SMT with S&P 500. If I'll just show you the S&P 500 here. So if you see here, this is the S&P 500. We are an SMT here. Okay, this low had been swept in the S&P and it had been swept in the NQ. Okay, so after that, this is a classic what do you say buy model, but technically I am trading a macro, so I didn't enter here. After this 1 minute fair value got ran through to the upside, there could have been multiple entry over here, but in targeting this all low resistance liquidity to this buy side liquidity. So this is a valid A plus setup. I know many people took this trade, but I'm trading macro, so I cannot just take any trade. So I waited for my time for 9:50 a.m. to open, and as 9:50 a.m. opened, I'll just show you the session recording. So yeah, this is the session recording. So after the session recording session I started, as you can see, we are right now in this is what yeah, this is technically in 9:39. So market has not opened yet. Sorry, 9:50 has not started it. I'm just marking out my overall target. So right now I'm bullish because if you can see here, overall we had displaced lower. We had formed a higher time frame SMT. We was respecting the 4-hour consequent encroachment. We had swept sell side. We was respecting the 1 hour FBG. So there are many confluence which meant that we want to still go higher and target the buy side liquidity. And just the 9:30 a.m. was just a manipulation move to go higher. This was just the low of the day had been created. I don't think so low at the day had been created then, but technically this is a manipulation movement to go target the upside. Okay. So now I was just waiting here to see this momentum. Yeah. So this is a live tape reading, not tape reading, live session recording of today only I'm doing the session recording. Today, as you can see, it is 9th of February. So yeah. So market right here came here 9:50 a.m. is somewhere around here. This is 9:47, 48, 49. Yes, so this is 9:54. So 9:54. While I had little bit mixed review here, mixed outlook of the market because the 15 minute has closed. It didn't close, but it closed massive bearish and it swept the liquidity. But going into the higher time frame narrative, everything was respecting the bullish order flow. Okay, and I think so this was the low of the day because if you see here, this is technically the low of the day. Yeah, so this is the low of the day, most probably. This is what 26th, so today is 9th. So yeah, this was the low of the day. This is the classic market maker buy model. Okay. If you have not done taken this trade, I don't think so you should be trading NQ. Okay, this is the classic buy model. It was very easy, but I didn't enter here since I trade uh, AM macro. So I went on to the Ninja Trader, as you can see here. Then after we had gotten a change the state of delivery in 30-second time frame, once the candle had closed above this, there is also a fair value gap present here. This fair value gap. Once this got inverts very nicely, then this candle around here or somewhere right, my entry was valid. Okay, I'll just show you the here also. Okay, let's continue the live recording. Yes. So here we are still around here. I'm just waiting here for the market to show me what to see. Now here, like old me would have thought about going short here, as we had swept buy side liquidity, we had got change the state of delivery. I mean, just need to take a entry. But looking at my progress, I've come very far, and uh, I can anticipate where the market will want to go. So yeah. So now if you see here, I'd opened up here, MetaTrader. Now this Ninja Trader here. This trading view is a little bit lagging, so I was doing my uh, market overview in a Ninja Trader. Okay, as there is a seconds chart here also. You see, second chart is present here. Seconds, 30 second, and this is the 2 minute candle. Okay, now I'm just waiting here. And now there had been a lot of consolidation to the both of the sides. Okay, so I'm just waiting here, waiting. I'm still waiting here. See, at this point, part of me was thinking that we can still go and balance this 15-minute time frame fair value gap. If you just zoom out a little bit more, we have already respected the 4 hour FBG, 1 hour IFBG, 30-minute gap. Like it doesn't make any sense for the market to come here. If it will come here, then the market most probably it will just continue to the downside. Okay, since that didn't happen, our bias to the upside was still valid. Okay. See, as you can see, just I zoomed out a little bit. It has already respected so much price action, so much bullish PDRS. Okay, so there is until unless the market still wants to keep going lower, there is no option for the market to just come and just sweep the liquidity and go because it has already respected the 30-minute gap. If you see the 15-minute candle, this already respected the 30-minute gap. If it would have closed below, then I would have given a second thought of shots. Okay, here it's still consolidating sideways. So I had thought that today there is like very unlikely we get an entry. See if you can see it's still consolidating. Yes. Now as 30 second starts giving us a change of character, there was this gap here as well. Okay. So this gap is the so you can see this is the 2 minute gap. Okay, so as this got ran through to the upside in 1 minute time frame, I had taken my entry there. Is here, yes. As it got ran through the upside, 1 minute had not closed yet. Yes, 1 minute had closed. If you see 20, this is the 2 minute candle. This is the 2 minute candle, and if you see 23 seconds are remaining. So the first minute had already closed above this point. Okay, so then I had taken my entry around there. Yes, I have already taken my entry here around here. As the farewell gap got ran through to the upside, this had see now before what you say before some part of me was thinking that we can initially give us change the state here, then I can take an entry here. But both of the entries are valid in my opinion for the macro time frame if anyone is trading that. Okay, you see, like our entry can be a little bit different, but what matters is the narrative and the overall drawn liquidity is same. So first main criteria is drawn liquidity. So there was couple of relative equal high over in the top. Okay, so then I placed my entry here and just watch the trade. If you can see, I'll show you my entry as well. I had taken my entry in the new Fort Traders account. I had bought in Saturday or Sunday, I believe. I had bought the account 6K one step. So here it's the vice liquidity. Here I'm just waiting. Here then I go and journal this trade. I had shown the execution here somewhere. Let's see if I shown. Yes. If you see here, if you see here, this is the execution. I had taken in my phone already. Let's see if it shows here. Yes, if you can see here. Yes, see, I pulled the what do you say history from here. If you can see, yes. So if you can see, my trade is it is not showing here. Then I went down to the history and see if the trade is valid here. If you see the entry is I cannot do this. Okay, let me do this. So entry is uh, price 0.075. So we see here this is 0.60. So I had entered around here. This as this candle got up close to the upside, then I had entered here, and I had overall closed around 1:3 in this. Okay, I had reached very minimum, and I've see. I think January February for me it was very risks off. So yeah, you can see this is the trade. So first I had set buy side break even point here, but that didn't get. See if you can see this is all low resistance liquidity. Okay, there was no major fair value gaps present here. Okay, there was a 4 hour present somewhere here, but it is very far. Okay, so the market then came here. It started going. In this point, I put my stop loss to break even, and I didn't stop loss to break even, but I put it in this low. Okay, see, marked out my stop loss low, and I taken out partially. This was almost 1 to 2.5. Okay, so then I quickly journal the trade, and yeah, that was the overall end of this trade. So yeah, there was a trade recap. As this got close to the upside, I taken my entry right over here, this candle, and yeah, see it is still going to the upside, but I would have got stopped out here at break even most likely. I put my stop loss here, so technically I would have got stopped out. But overall, our draw is still higher. Okay, this external buy side is present here. This is the overall draw. So yeah, today was a good day. Everything I reacted according to my plan. I have executed perfectly. So there was no mistakes from my side, and I don't think so. I had made any mistakes while journaling the trade and all. So overall, yeah, we have with a quite a little bit of winning streak, but that doesn't matter. So what I do is every week, whenever I'm going to take, so Monday. So before the week starts, I already say to myself, I've lost all the four trades that I take around 4 to 5 trades a week. So I just say I've already lost 4 trades a week. I just accept that. Okay. Once I accept the loss, which I have not taken yet, so then there is no downside for me. There is only upside from there. And when I don't react, see now I've taken the win. I'm not reacting like I'm before. What I used to do, either I used to post on Instagram story or I used to show my trading friends that I've done this, I've done that. But what that does is creates a false reality in your mind, which on a long period of time it comes and haunts you. Okay, so now what will happen when I'm losing? It will come as a statement that okay, you are losing, you are not, you are doing something wrong. But that doesn't matter, because previously also I've taken a lot of losing streaks and winning streak. That's just a part of trading. What you How you manage your risks, how you take the execution, that what's matter in the end. Okay, so yeah, that was the overall trade update. Thank you so much guys for watching. I have nothing to say. Let's Oh yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.